Hello you guys, today I'm going to share with you guys my morning skincare routine, and in my morning skincare every day I use one face mask. So today is my Tulsi face mask day. As you can see, I'm collecting all the fresh Tulsi leaves or basil leaves. Now I washed it thoroughly and I'm crushing it all together. You have to crush it really well so that the juice will come out of it. And now the second ingredient, hero ingredient of this face mask is curd. Curd has full of lactic acid, which is great for your collagen production. It will give you a very healthy, younger looking skin, and it will remove your dark patches also. Now as you can see, I have collected those juice over here, and now our second ingredient is multani mitti. Multani mitti is a great source of controlling oil. If you are a oily skin, try to use multani mitti in your morning skincare routine. It will control all the acne and everything. Now mix it really well. The consistency should be like this. It neither very liquidy or very thick. Now as you can see, I am washing my face first with normal water. Now here I am using the Neutrogena face wash. You can literally use any face wash. You can use Johnson baby soap also. Just try to use a mild chemical free face wash. Now this is the most important part. You have to wash your face for 1 minute. You have to wash your face for 60 seconds, guys. This is a method. Try to do this for at least 1 month. You will see a result. Wash it really well. Massage your skin. By massaging your skin, you will activate all the cells and it will just circulate the blood on your skin really well. As you can see, I'm massaging it round wise. Massage it really well and clean everything. Whatever you have put in the night, you have to clean it out in the morning really well, so that your skin will get prepared for the next day. Now as you can see, I am washing my face, and in the morning time I will not use any kind of towel or anything to just wipe my face. I will air dry my face like this. It will work like a toner. Now as you can see, I am here with my face mask and I am putting it all over my face, a really thick layer of it, because multani mitti tend to be little dry on your skin, because it has those ability to just shucks off all the oil from your skin. So try to use a thick layer out of it. And here I want to give you one tips, that if you are a very dry skin person, then try to use 2 or 3 drop of coconut oil or neem oil on this face pack, otherwise it can get a little bit of drying for your skin if you're a dry skin. So use just 2 or 3 drop of it. And now I am applying it all over my face as a thick layer. As you can see, I didn't put it underneath my eyes, on my lips, or I will suggest you don't talk while you are just applying this face mask, because if you will talk, it can crack on your fine lines, wrinkles, and it can age your skin more. Now after 10 minutes, as you can see, my skin is dried and I washed my face, and now I'm padding drying my skin with the help of a t-shirt. Now follow up this process with a moisturizer. Any kind of moisturizer you can use. Follow up with a moisturizer, anything as per your choice. Here I used the Cetaphil one. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family and give this video a thumbs up. I will come up with next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.